everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would so totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? Well, in today's video, I want to talk about the preps that I got at Dollar Tree and at Walgreens. And this is for my first aid kit. Now, I know in a previous video I talked about prepping for my first aid kit. And it was very scarce, my first aid kit, okay? But I'm adding to it. And I went to Dollar Tree because they do have a very good selection of things that you can get, obviously, for $1. So I got these. It's a pain relief patch. How good they work, I really don't know, but I figured why not try them out, right? I got some different kinds of tape. Here's a gentle tape, paper tape, waterproof tape. Got some different bandages, some gauze pads, alcohol prep pads. I think these are going to be very important. But you know, alcohol prep pads, they're not just good just for prepping an area to clean after a wound. Do you know that actually alcohol prep pads are actually good for cleaning your eyeglasses? I was buying, because I wear glasses and my husband wears glasses and so does my son. We were buying eyeglass cleaning pads. Do you know they're just alcohol wipes? I swear. So if you ever have to, go out and buy something to clean your glasses with and you can never find the eyeglass wipes, same thing, okay? Or if you can't find alcohol prep pads, the eyeglass wipes, same thing, okay? Some rolled gauze. Now this little first aid kit got at Dollar Tree. Just some bandages, okay, and some alcohol prep pads and some gauze pads. That's it. That's all that's in there. But there's 21 items and a little carrying case, so I figured that would be a good pickup as well. Now these are, you wet these, okay, and then you put them around your neck, and they keep you cool. And they came in two different colors, orange and blue. And they can bring your body temperature down 30 degrees. They're washable and reusable. So I figured these would be good, especially for when we're working outside in the garden on a hot day, okay? If you're just working outside in general, I figured these would be really, really good to have. And for only $1, why not, right? Aloe, especially when, we're working outside, and if we don't have any sunblock, okay, we're going to get burnt, okay? And they are, they do have face masks there, okay? And then I just got some more bandages. Now, at Walgreens, I see a lot of people picking up like cold and flu things, okay, over-the-counter medication. What Sean and I, my husband and I, have been using for years is this. At Walgreens right now, well, I know as of yesterday, because this is when I bought this yesterday. Okay, what's today? Thursday. I bought this Wednesday, yesterday. These were buy one, get one, 50% off. Now, they're originally $15. Well, it's like $14.80. So let's just say $15. So you buy one, you get one half off, okay? You really cannot beat that price, especially with this stuff, okay? Sean and I have been using this stuff for years. And when I tell you, it works, okay? It really, truly does. It will knock whatever ails you out within 24 hours, okay? If you're anything like me, and you are extremely sensitive to medication, and I mean extremely sensitive. I am allergic to just about every single antibiotic out there. I can't take them. I can only take this stuff right here. I am fortunate enough to where very rarely do I ever get sick with the common cold, with the flu, now with this, we're not really allowed to say this word, with the Rona, with the virus. I'm not sick with it, okay? Don't plan on it, but it's not like you can stop it if it does happen. Will this work with the Rona? I don't know, okay? I'm not going to say, yes, oh my gosh, 100% proof, yay. No, I'm not going to say that. But this is what has worked for me and my husband and our son in the past with the common cold and with the flu, okay? Seriously, it really has. Elderberry has been proven to work. This is the liquid form. This is syrup, okay? And this is dissolvable tablets. Take this every 4 hours, and I swear to you, within 24 hours, you are back to your normal self, and you'll be fine, okay? That's how it has worked for the three of us for years, okay? This is what we stock up on instead of like Theraflu or what's the other one? Like the daytime, nighttime, NyQuil, DayQuil. Okay, this is what we stock up on. So it's just a little, you know, here you go. This is what we stock up on. Instead of the other stuff, this is what we get. So I'm going to get my first aid kit. Here we go. Yay! And I'm going to put all this stuff away. I do have to find another like carrying case for all this stuff because I don't have a bag big enough. Where I was storing this stuff in was my son's Sally bag from when he was in the Young Marines. He was in the Young Marines from the time he was 8 years old until he was 17 years old. And this is what we've been using to put stuff in because we don't, you know, have any like bags, you know, but as soon as I get another bag for our first aid kit and stuff like that, this is what we will be using as like a bug out bag. Do we plan to bug out? No, but just in the slight chance that we do have to, yes, we do have a location to go to. So, you know, please don't worry about that. We do have a location to go out to for a bug out location. It is very safe. It's very secure. I have no worries. I have no worries at all. But that's what this is actually, you know, because I'm sure some of you military, ex-military, current military, you know, you have these. We actually got this at a surplus store because when Andrew was in the Young Marines, he was constantly going on camping trips and he had to go to, what do you call it? He had to go to school, actually, for the Young Marines because that's how he would rank up. And he got to staff sergeant in the Young Marines by the time he was 17. And then he was going to go into the Young Marines, and we found out that because he had, oh boy, what was it? Because he had migraines, he couldn't go into the Marine Corps. So his dreams were pretty much dashed. So, but yeah, we still have this, and we still have his other, that that duffel bag, that green duffel bag, that one that's real tall. Still have that one. But this one has compartments that you can put stuff in. And when we got this at the Army surplus store, I think we paid, because they were used, I think we paid like $2 for it. So these are actually really good to go get. If you wanted to go get one of these, go to the Army surplus store, the military surplus store. They're like $2. Just buy the used ones. Who cares, right? They clean them for you. They're $2. So go, yeah, these are perfect for bug out bags. If you needed to get a bug out bag, instead of going and buying, going to Ross or Marshall's or whatever and buying a duffel bag, go to the military surplus store and get one of these for $2. Seriously, they're probably $3 by now because, Andrew's what, 22 now. You know what I mean? But still, you can't go wrong with getting one of these, honestly. And they're comfortable. They're not heavy. And you can get so much into those things. And when Andrew was in the Young Marines and he had to go to his encampments and stuff, he would literally have to pack 2 weeks worth of stuff in this. And he still had room with stuff to put in there after packing his 2 weeks worth of stuff in there, after his uniforms and his BDUs and his boots and everything like that. So, well worth just buying used ones, honestly. Okay, well, that's the end of this video. I'll see you in the next one. I love you guys. And thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. And that's all. Okay, bye.